20-sided percentile, a dragon appears! Rise, my baby, rise! It's just like medieval times! Do the thing! Do the thing! Oh, showerhead! Sorry, everybody! Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Disneyland. Before we begin, we ask you to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This will help this video to reach out more viewers like you. Also, if you're new here or like our content, we ask you to hit the subscribe button and read that notification bell for more content like this. Sorry. Got confused. Thank you, and let's move on. Okay. Fantasmic is returning at Disneyland after the dragon catches on fire. We're happy to see that, and they're replacing the Peter Pan segment instead of the Pirates of the Caribbean, and also there'll be a new finale without the dragon. Yeah, the dragon is not going to return, and according to this, it's going to return Friday, as of this video, this Friday. And to me, it looks like, to me, it's going to be a Maleficent instead of the dragon, or they call it Plan B in the show. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and share this video to someone who needs to know about this, and see you guys later.